everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to delete your Cash App account. So Cash App is a payment app that enables you to send and receive money from your phone. If you no longer use it or decide to switch to a different app, you may choose to delete it from your phone. Deleting the Cash App from your phone wouldn't delete your account. However, the account will still exist and may have money in it. So before you delete the app from your phone, you will need to empty your account and then close down your account completely if you're ready to say goodbye and learn how to delete a Cash App account below. So if your account is empty of funds, you can delete your account directly through the app. So here's a note: you risk losing any existing balance you currently have in your account if you do not transfer any funds to your bank account before you delete it. So you'll need to skip it to the next section and follow those steps to empty your balance first. So to delete your account, follow this step. First, tap on the account in the top right corner of the screen like this and scroll down and select Support. Now, under the Browse, type something else. So under the Browse, type something else and select Edit Account Settings like this. And then choose Close Your Cash App account. So select that, and at the bottom of the screen, tap Confirm like this. And once you receive confirmation that your Cash App account has been deleted, you can safely remove the app from your phone. Now, how to withdraw your Cash App balance? Cannot close your Cash App account? You will probably need to empty your Cash App balance first. If you delete your app or your account without doing so, you may lose any money remaining in your account. So to withdraw your balance in your Cash App, follow this step below. Tap the bank icon at the top right screen and tap the Cash Out button. Then drag the slider to select the full amount of your Cash App balance like this, and then tap Cash Out, and then confirm your decision to cash out and select the standard or instant withdrawal speed. Instant withdrawals incur a fee between 0.5 to 1.75%. Standard withdrawals are completely free but can take up to 3 business days, and your money will be transferred to your linked bank account within the chosen time frame. And you may prefer to wait until the money is in your linked bank account before moving on to close your Cash App account for good. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.